So, Jump Festa, December 18th. I'm so excited for all the fucking things that we're going to do on the 18th. But, James, I'm stupid. Okay, this, this is what I'm the most excited for. And in honor of us maybe possibly getting a Chainsaw Man preview, I want to make a GOATED video about Chainsaw Man because truly, Chainsaw Man is my favorite movie. What Tatsuki Fujimoto did in those, what, 96, 98 chapters? Phenomenal. I can't wait for part 2. I know he's gonna knock it out the ballpark, but Chainsaw Man is GOATED. That's really all you need to know. And let's get into it. Alright, so boom. Chainsaw Man series about our main character, Biggie. Don't know this nigga's last name, but his first name is Biggie. All you need to know about this nigga is what? Fucking, how old is Biggie? Like 17, 15, 17? He's around one of those ages. And he killing demons because his dad has a lot of debt that he needs to be paid off, and he died. So the debt collectors rolled up and were like, hey, you gotta pay now, you nigga. He's like, I bet. Nigga sold one of his eyeballs, one of his left ball sack, one of his lungs. I think he sold a lot of things, but he still doesn't have enough money. And the thing he's killing the demon with is his little dog that has chainsaw head coming out of his head. And you know, that's cute. That's cute. So I think Benji's almost done paying the fucking debt off, and some nigga pulls up. He's like, hey yo, and then Benji's like, hey yo, and then they fucking killed him. Throw him in the dumpster. And not only after that happens, but Cheetah's like, oh, that's the name of the dog. She chainsaw somebody like that. So Cheetah pulls up and like, hey, who's my nigga? I ain't finna let you go out like no bitch. And resurrect him. So now he turns into Chainsaw Man. But Biggie was in the dumpster. Demons have popped up, pulled up, turned all the niggas that fucking wet up Biggie into zombies. So now Biggie popped up. Now he's Chainsaw Man. And he goes to fucking town. First of all, well, that's oh, and then this gray haired bitch named Makima comes up and I'm not gonna talk about Makima for long. I fucking hate that bitch. But then we get introduced to characters like Power, Aki, fucking the Goat, Kobeni, Rize, Minnow, fucking the Throat Goat, yeah. Oh, Quan Z and fucking Kishibe, who is just Mad Nicholson. Nicholson. But yeah, that's not the general synopsis of the series. Niggas be killing demons with chainsaw heads. That's the general synopsis of the series. But that was like what? Maybe like the first 2, 3, 5 chapters. It was like that was like the introduction of the story. And yeah, Chainsaw Man is really fucking good. Of course, that's not all I want to talk about. First of all, Chainsaw Man, first of all, the story is changed. The name of the story is called Chainsaw Man. Like, if that doesn't get your testosterone pumping just by fucking saying that aloud, I don't know what does. Second of all, Benji's design, if nigga literally has a chainsaw on his forehead, and then 2 popping out his fucking arms, and he can make them pop out his legs. He can do shit with the fucking chains on the chainsaw. Nigga, he's a chainsaw, bro, and he be killing demons. I don't know what about that is it cool to you, but if it's not, if you say Chainsaw Man, like, does it intrigue you at all? There's something wrong with you. You're either very hard to impress, or you just never had fun in your fucking life. Second of all, there was slight spoiler. So he was fighting the bomb devil, right? And there is this shark devil, the top devil, there was a chainsaw man on top of a shark demon on fucking fire. I don't like, bro. Sasuke Fujimoto, that I don't know what he's doing, but he ponders my thing. This nigga knows what to do. He knows what to draw. You know what random shit to draw to get me hyped, bro. Like I remember this is off topic, by the way. I remember I saw this comic panel of this Tyrannosaurus driving, flying the aircraft. I was like, yo, that's fucking lit, bro. I like random shit like that, bro. Like big guns, nigga, dinosaur, fucking plane. What's the hard about that, bro? Fucking fire, nigga, chainsaw man, and a shark. What's not hard about that? I don't understand. Like, bruh, like that shit got my testosterone pumping, bro. And like I said, even if you fucking don't pay attention to the story or Chainsaw Man, which you really should. I don't understand why you would read a manga without paying attention to the story. What you doing? But nah, like even if you don't pay attention to the story, the art is good. It's like, I'm not gonna say it's not the best. It's in like a different style. I don't know. I'm not gonna call it janky because it's not janky, but it's like it's just a different type of art style, right? Not saying that everyone else is the same or similar, but you can clearly tell the difference between Sasuke Fujimoto's works and fucking anyone else. It's like his own defined art style, right? And that shit, like I said, the story doesn't intrigue you because some of these panels where niggas is just doing raw shit for no fucking reason will. Like they should. I don't know what else should. And
guess who's back, bitch?
Chainsaw Man GOAT, man. I love that nigga to death. Fucking Denji GOATED. Fucking Power. Oh my god, bro. Best girl, bro. Power Rize Kobeni. You know, they already said her. Literally any other female in Chainsaw Man is better than Makima. I had to slander Makima at least one time in this video. I don't understand how some of you niggas be fiending for that bitch. Yo, bro, I don't even mean to call her that word. It's just, she sucks. Like, she's a really good villain, but she just doesn't look like pretty to me like that. It's her eyes, bro. Fucking onion ring ass shits. Like, bro, why you got yellow onions on your eyes, bro? Come on, bro. Get that shit checked out, bro. You need to go to a fucking eye doctor or something, bro. Like, get you some lacy. But anyways, that's besides the point. But Chainsaw Man has fantastic characters, fucking story, paneling, fights. Like, I don't understand, like, how Studio Mappa could fuck it up. Cause y'all saw what they did with Jujutsu Kaisen, Attack on Titan, God of High School. Albeit, I didn't understand anything that was going on in the God of High School story. You couldn't tell me. Look wise, God of High School wasn't phenomenal. Right? Fight wise, God of High School wasn't phenomenal. Cause it was. Might be forgettable, but damn, them looks was looking very, very respectful. Nah. I know Mappa is gonna do this thing. One thing that I do ask for, right? I ask for this. I need it. It doesn't even have to be all the time. I just want some, or even one of the OSTs in Chainsaw Man to be heavy metal. Cause goddamn, I'm like, bro. Another spoiler for later on the manga. When Denji was fighting that elevator demon, the only thing I could think about was some heavy fucking metal music, bro. I'm gonna play some for you while I'm fucking showing these panels. Because good lord. I don't understand how you watch Chainsaw Man, or you can like read Chainsaw Man, like, yeah, I don't think heavy metal will go through this. Nigga, heavy metal is fucking Chainsaw Man, bro. Nigga, Denji wears heavy metal in his blood, bro. Like, come on, dude. Like, man, it's Chainsaw Man was good. And I feel like Freedom of Me is gonna handle it very goodly. Oh, the teaser that they gave us, I was glad that I saw it, because that just makes me know it's not gonna be in 3D. I had a fucking feeling they're gonna draw Chainsaw Man in 3D, and I would have had a problem. I would have had a problem. I didn't want another Berserk 2016. Man, I just didn't want it to be 3D. But yeah, I guess this is the video. Like and subscribe, comment, interact with me, please. Go follow my Twitter. I had to get a new one. I'm not gonna tell you why. I'm not gonna tell you what happened. I just had to get a new one. And yeah, there's the video. Bye.